Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to my morning routine video. So my day starts around 6 a.m. I come outside, I sit, I put my camera first of all, and then I just sit, just to refresh myself because I'm still 75% sleep. And then I suddenly get a boost of motivation after watching some, morning routine videos. And yes, at 6:15, I get to the washroom to, just to freshen up a little, brush my teeth, etc., etc. I genuinely don't know I'm filming myself while brushing my teeth because I don't know. It's something Ali Abdaal does, and this video is mostly inspiration from Ali Abdaal. And then I do a short, quick workout just to keep my body moving and to refresh myself once again. It's just some push-ups, sit-ups, burpees, and a bit of jumping jacks just to get my muscles sore and just to pump some heartbeat. And I get into the shower, come out of the shower, moisturize my skin while looking into the camera because I'm weird. And I have to moisturize my face every single day. Every single time I wash my face is because I have dry skin. Yeah, so I need to moisturize my skin every time. Then I hop into the kitchen to make myself breakfast. Now breakfast is one of my most special and most delicious and most healthiest meal of the day because I make it myself. Now in breakfast I either have an omelette / egg, like an egg or a protein shake, not exactly smoothie, not protein shake, smoothie / or an oatmeal. These are the only three breakfasts I have, and I divide them into a certain week so that I don't get bored. I don't eat the same breakfast every single day. I eat the same breakfast every single week, you can say that. Now I'm eating an omelette with a turkey breast, a little bit of turkey breast, and it's I think beef or something in the other packet. I'm not exactly sure what it has, but it's healthy. So yeah, I eat meat obviously because I'm non-vegetarian, so I eat all types of meat except pork. I don't use ghee or oil for making my eggs, to make the pan non-sticky. I use butter. I don't know why, just ghee sometimes just I don't like it. It also makes my egg pretty oily, so I don't like that. I also put cheese on top of my egg because that's delicious. And while eating breakfast, I'm listening to my go-to show, which is the Ranveer Show podcast, and it's amazing. I've learned a lot from that guy. I've also just recently started my own podcast called Info Bites. Not mine, but it's me and my friends. So yeah, you guys can check that out. It's on Spotify as well as Pocket Casts as well as Anchor. Breakfast is done. I'm just gonna put it in the sink along with the pan just to pour some water on it so it doesn't get sticky, etc. I open the curtains, I take my glass and stuff, etc. And then school starts. Yes, at 7:45 the worst period of my time starts. And then from 7:45 till 1:45 is my school. Then I just suddenly be really bored and I start journaling. Journaling is one practice which I almost practice every single day. Not exactly every single day, alternate days you can say. So yeah. Now, what do you guys might be thinking, what do I do in journaling? So in journaling, I just basically write down my thoughts and whatever's going on in the day, etc., etc. And then, as usual, procrastination, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. But I'm listening to my class as well, and sometimes I do focus. Yeah. And then I feel a thirst, so I go outside, drink a glass of water, and get back inside my room. And yes, I'm on my phone again. I'm just chatting with some of my friends as well as listening, focusing, etc. At this point, I'm sending a voice message to my friend, I guess. Yeah. Oh, it's actually I'm chatting with Divyanshu. He's the one I started the podcast with as well. Then it's 9 a.m. and I feel sleepy and just not in the mood to do anything good, so I go outside and make myself a cup of coffee. I drink instant coffee. I don't like that brewing thing, whatever, like Ali Abdaal and these people do, like the original coffee, because it's a time waste. Like, it takes a lot of time, and also I'm school student, so I don't have that much time to make coffee for myself in that way. I'm good with instant coffee. Get back inside my room, keep the coffee, and then start doing something productive. Start typing out something in my second brain, while reading some articles on my laptop, etc., etc. At this point, it's my break, so yeah. And then I don't know why I made that face, but yeah. The teacher was, boring me. Then I just suddenly feel an urge to do a typing test, and I got a pretty good result on camera, so I'm like pretty happy. A 48 words per minute is pretty good for me. Like my highest at the moment is 56. Yeah, and it's 11:23 right now. I'm getting bored again, and then suddenly at 11:30 or something, I feel hungry, so I go outside and grab myself a granola bar. I eat the granola bar at 11x speed. Yeah, I had to speed and trim down the video so that it doesn't be very long. It's 1 o'clock right now, and yes, my school is gonna end in 45 minutes. I'm just waiting for that time to end ASAP. Then I suddenly feel an urge to do solve a Rubik's cube, so I bring it out and solve it on camera. Yes, I can solve a Rubik's cube in under like 1 minute something, because I do the first level. Like there are many different ways to do a Rubik's cube. If you want to do it very fast, there's a different formula. The basic, I know the beginner's formula, and it's enough. I just wanted to learn how to solve it, not maximizing myself like in its speed. Then I don't know why I'm still recording my video, but yeah, and in some time the video is gonna be ending, so yeah, I'm still chatting. By the way guys, I have a theme page, so usually during school time when it's the break or if I'm getting really bored, I open Instagram and post 3 posts daily on my Instagram theme page. It's called Productivity Facts, where I post whatever content I consume. So on Instagram and Twitter, YouTube, as you guys know, I'm into self-improvement, so I follow good pages. So on Instagram, whichever good post I see, I just repost it on my theme page. Then I feel like reading something, so I just bring out my encyclopedia, and which is like literally kept on the side of my table because I love learning, as you guys know. So I bring it out, just read some facts or interesting things, and I don't know why I'm showing it on camera even though it's no use. That's the encyclopedia. And yes, the video is ended. Thank you so much for listening / watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow.